We should rush to the hospital. Come on, let's get our skateboards and let's go.
Well, our mom can't be on our back the whole time on a skateboard. Hold on.
A Christmas? Is this like a Christmas miracle? It's like a few days after Christmas.
Yeah, it's been a few days.
Okay, let's go. Come on, Flower, we gotta go.
I got a car.
Oh, I'm coming in. Did you get your license?
Not really.
Cause I have mine.
I only took the test, and I haven't got my license yet. But
And now we're in a car accident.
whatever. Get your mom. Get your mom to be in the car.
Come on, Mom, let's go.
What, Mom?
My sweet little sister, she's about to come.
You need a room.
Anthony,
Yeah.
Anthony, come on.
Hello, we need a room.
Okay, whose mom's going first?
Okay.
I guess mine. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go, Mom.
Okay, now I'll give you two.
Flower?
Hi, Marigold. Aw, is that your little baby sister?
Yeah, she's in a pair. Now I think she's gonna look like me now because Anthony looks like my dad.
Oh, wait. Mom, sister.
Okay, I'll go bring. Mom, what are we naming her? We were going to name her Sarah. Sarah. Okay, I like that name. Here, Mom. Okay. I'll close the curtain, and I'll just wait out here.
I'm trying.
Oh, he looks just like you.
I know, right? Well, let's head home.
Yeah, and we get to spend some more time with our wait. Okay, let me go get Sarah.
Okay, yeah, grab there. I'll put it there.
Come on, Mom, let's go. We're going home.
My mom hasn't really thought of a name for, my brother.
Okay, I've decided a name, Flower.
What's the name?
Jason.
Ooh, I like that name.
Also, my little sister's name is Sarah.
Open your gate, guys. Okay. There you go, guys.
Okay. I'll see you in a. How about we just come over? Me and my mother come over to your house.
Yeah, after the time, I'll let you know. Yeah.
Come on, Mom, let's go. Hey guys, remember when I chased you around the city?
Yeah.
Wow, that was when I was pregnant with Anthony. Oh yeah, that was 3 years ago, Mom. How do you remember that? I don't know. Anyways, let's sit on the couch. Show our new siblings our Tim TV.
Yeah, Mom, yeah, I'm gonna go put the baby to bed.
Okay, me too, I guess.
This one.
Wait, we haven't even. My family hasn't even prepared. The due date is 3 days later.
Oh no.
We haven't even prepared anything. We haven't gotten any baby stuff. Oh, okay. Let's watch Survivor.
Yeah. Oh, wait, I have my laptop here. Let's see if it's on my laptop first. I'm gonna check if it's on my laptop. I guess they haven't added it to computers yet. Anyways.
Wait, they're adding a website about it?
They said they were gonna do it on
They're adding a website?
not free.
Let's go. Mom, this is your first time watching Survivor. I hope you're gonna like it.
It's so cool.
Also, Barbara, why'd you bleach your hair back to blonde?
I decided to bleach back the blonde because I just to me I look nicer in blonde.
You wanted to have blonde hair like I do?
Yeah.
Well, I've had blonde hair for like most of my life.
I forgot something. I need to check the hospital. I'll be right back.
Okay. No, wait, Flower, I'll come with you. Someone stole the car?
That's in my garage.
Oh. Let's go. Mom, hope you enjoy the series. We'll be back.
Please enjoy the series. It's a really good one. We might drive off the cliff.
You can try. Actually, are you gonna drive into the subway?
No. Going down the cliff. I think I forgot something.
I can't believe that we're 20 years old. We met when we were 16.
I know.
Okay, I'll stay in the car.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Go. Okay, I'm getting worried. I'm gonna go see where this is going on. Flower. Where the heck is she? Flower? Is she up in the abandoned hospital? Flower? This place gives me... Flower! Ah!
That's what you get for thanking me.
Flower, that was like a year ago.
I know, but I'm still a little bit upset about that.
Whatever, let's go.
Also, I forgot this listen. I'm only gonna get 50 for this. This needle. I don't remember this being here.
Oh, I think that's the needle we used from what happened from the zombie apocalypse.
It looks different. I'm gonna take it. Let's go. Well, I got my phone.
The car's gone.
What? Why are there so many photos?
Oh, hi! You look like my sister, Marigold Cooper. I am Marigold Cooper. Wow, but she's in college.
Whoa, I think I know what happened. But
I think we traveled to the future again.
I think we should go get this before she ran off.
And I think we traveled to the future again, because that's why the car is gone.
Yeah, I'll also get this ran.
Oh, hello! You look like my sister, Flower Annie.
I am Flower Annie.
That's impossible. My sister's in college.
Yeah, this is weird. No, running up.
We're from the past.
Yeah.
Whoa! Past sissies!
Oh, and also, do you have an older sibling that lives with you?
Yeah, my mother lives with me.
I'm talking about an older sibling.
Yeah, Sophia.
I knew it. We time traveled. Okay.
So, how do we get back to our timeline? Wait, how do we get back to our timeline?
I don't know, but it might have been to do with something with this. Hold on.
Whoa! Whoa, the car's here.
Oh, Jesus.
We might be back. Let's go home.
Hold on, Right.
I'm right here.
I think this event teleports us to the past and the future.
What?
I don't think this is our timeline. Let me just put this away. I think
Then why is the car here?
I don't know. Maybe someone has the same car, but this could be ours.
This isn't our car. It's not.
I told you. We're in the car. Hold on, let's go out for the look.
Wait. There's no. I can't. My cell phone. It's gone.
We need to ask them what timeline.
Or what day is it? Oh, there's a star right there. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, girl, what are you wearing? Clothes? What day is it? November 16th, 1989. What? We weren't even born yet.
I know. This syringe is doing something to the time. I think it's showing us how, like, things will be if we have a sibling. Another one.
I feel tingles.
Wait, hold on. No one has come to get this car. Let's take it. We need to check our houses.
Hey, that's my car!
Sorry, we need this.
It's ours now. What in the heck is this? My house!
Oh my God, your house is so different.
It looks more like a... How long has my house been a build?
These lights were white before. They're like a tealish color.
We're definitely in the wrong timeline.
Oh, someone's coming at my house. Hide.
We gotta go. Someone's coming out of mine too. It's a beautiful day. Is that your mom?
Dang, my mom looks good.
Does she look better than she does now?
Yeah. Here. Oh, wait, I forgot. You lived in Blacksburg here. I just...
Well, I guess my parents did, but I wasn't born yet.
Yeah. Sure.
So my house must be vacant.
Oh my God. Who's that?
Ah!
Whoa.
We're back home.
We're back. Look, the lights are white.
Oh, there's our moms. They're watching Survivor and they're crying.
Oh, I knew they looked like survivors. Oh man, looks like the show ended though.
We missed the entire thing.
I know.
Anyways, I guess that brings us to the end. It's almost nighttime and it's almost my bedtime.
The syringe is still attached. Like, it's not broken. Goodbye, syringe.
I guess we're never seeing that thing again.